Hi friends, welcome to Triple E Students YouTube channel. So today we are going to know about the state space analysis. So the state space analysis are also known as state space representation. So here it is a mathematical model of a physical system. So here the state space analysis is a mathematical model which belongs to a it's a mathematical model which belongs to a physical system as a set of input, output and state variables related by the first order differential equations. So we are using here the first order differential equations. So by using the first order differential equations and the set of input and output expressions, we are going to write it as a state space analysis. Okay, see, it is clearly mentioned here. It is a physical set of physical system as a set of input and output state variables. Okay, so it is the state space representation. Finally, the state space analysis or state space representation is a mathematical model of a physical system as a set of input, output and state variables related by first order differential equations. Is it clear? Now we are going to know about what is meant by a state. Okay, coming to the state of a dynamical system is a minimal set of variables and the knowledge of these variables at t is equals to t naught. So here at t is equals to t naught, you have to observe this thing. So what he told is it is a dynamical system, the state of a dynamical system. That means we are discussing here we are assuming a dynamical system. So we are going to find its state. State means the position, minimal set of variables and the knowledge of these variables. So with the minimum set of variables, we have some minimum set of variables with the knowledge of these variables at t is equals to t naught. That means it is at the initial condition together with input for t is greater than or equal to t naught. If t naught is the initial condition, what happens when t is greater than or equal to t naught? So it is the input. Why? Because t naught is the initial condition, so t is greater than t naught is the input. Completely determines the behavior of the system for any time t. So what he said is a state is a dynamical state of a dynamical system is a minimal set of variables. Why? Because from t naught to t, between the t naught and t naught is the initial value and t is the final value. Between those two things there is some t is there. So to determine the behavior of the system for any time of t, at any time of t we are going to find the behavior of the system. So what does it means? It is also one type of knowing the performance of the system. Okay, so this is the one definition for state. Coming to the another definition, a compact and concise representation of the previous history of the system can be termed as the state of the system. So a compact and concise representation of the previous history. So we are going to represent the previous history of the system can be termed as the state of the system. What is its state? For example, what is the status? We are asking when some work is going on there, we are asking like what is the status, we are asking like that. So it also represents the state of the system. Okay, what is the state? So the state means representing the history of the system. So it is nothing but state. So these are the two definitions for state. Okay, coming now we are going to know about the one more important definition, state variables. The state variables of a dynamic system are the minimal set of variables which determines the dynamics of a linear system. So see here, for example, x1 of t, x2 of t, x3 of t and so on xn of t. So we have these things x of t as a variables. At initial t naught, x1 of t naught, x2 of t naught, x3 of t naught and so on xn of t naught. So see here, t naught represents the initial state of the system. Okay, you understand? So these are all the state variables. So what are the initial variables? Initial condition. At initial condition it is x1 of t naught, x2 of t naught, x3 of t naught and so on xn of t naught. So this represents the initial state of the system. It is also a state, but these are the variables. So see here it is the x1, x2, x3. So these are the variables. So the state of the system represents the time. So initial state. So these are the variables which represent the state of the system. Okay, inputs for t is greater than or equal to t naught. Let us assume an electrical network. So it is an electrical network, you have to assume it. See, EI is the supply what we are given to the circuit, R is the resistance, L is the inductor. See here, the state is current is resistance is constant. So here the variable thing is inductor. So R is constant, L is it is variable. So x1 equal to IL of t is chosen as state variable. Like this, we are going to take, for example, suppose we are in this inductor place, we are going to take a capacitor. So V is a variable there. So like this we can take the variables. Okay, so I think you have understand the state variables. State variables is nothing but which represents the state of the system, but they are the variables. Okay, so these are the variables. That is why here once again you have to see clearly the state variables of a dynamic system are the minimal set of variables which determines the dynamics of a linear system. Okay, so the state variables are the variables which represents the state of the system. State means which represents the previous history of the system, can be termed as state of the system. And one more definition for the state is, see, it's very clear, the time between the initial condition to the final condition. At any time we are going to see the behavior completely determines the behavior of the system. It is a state. So at any time between t0 to t we are going to see the behavior of the system. Behavior means the state of the system, how it is behaved. Okay, next, state vector. Coming to the state vector, so here state vector, the n set of variables used for describing the dynamic equation of a linear system can be considered the n components of the state vector x of t. Vector consists of n components, those are state variables. Okay, see here state vector x of t equal to x1 of t, x2 of t, and so on xn of t. So the state variables are x1 of t, x2 of t, and so on xn of t. So we can represent it in a matrix form. The set of n components consists of n components. Those n components are the state variables. So vector is nothing but representing the state variables in a matrix form. An array form is known as a state vector. In a vector representation, the n set of variables used for describing the dynamic equation of the linear system can be determined the n components of the state variable. Is it the clear thing? Okay. So these are the state vectors. So the difference between the state vector and state variable. So the state variables present in a state vector, it can be totally represented as a vector. That's why we call it as state vector. Okay, is it clear? Now coming to state space. The state space is the n-dimensional space whose coordinate axis consists of x-axis, x2 axis, xn axis. Any state can be represented by a point in the space. See, there are three axes. Let us assume, as tell by the definition, the state will n dimensions. So x1, x2, x3. So we are taking the three dimensions here. So if you take three variables, have three dimensional space x1, x2, x3 as shown in the below figure. This is a figure. Okay, this is the figure. So here A is known as the state. Any point is represented by the point which has all the x1, x2, x3. So see here the state has all the components, all the variables x1, x2, x3 dimension space. Okay, and this point is denoted by A, which is the state of the system. Okay, friends and students, so these are the basics to know about state space analysis. Here we are discussing about 4 points. First one is state, second one state variables, third one state vector, and fourth one is the state space. So state space is nothing but which is a representation of the state of the system. State is nothing but it is a behavior of the determining the behavior of the system at the time t is equals to t0 to tf, final time. Okay, so thank you for watching my channel. Subscribe my channel. Thank you.